Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we've got the first update for the Project Pan Roulette collab that was organized and kind of started by Rebecca and Alexi. They've been doing it for 2 times already, and this third round they decided to invite whoever wanted to join them, and I was one of these people. We've got multiple people who are joining on Instagram and YouTube, so I'll make sure to try and list as much as I know down below. We've also got a hashtag for this one that we're using on Instagram, which is Roulette Pan Collab. So if you're curious kind of to see all the updates from everybody that's doing updates on Instagram, that is also a great place to try and find their updates. So let's actually jump in, and I'm gonna show you guys the progress that I made, and I'm pretty happy about it actually. So let's start. One of the products that I had in here was the Nivea Natural Volume Lip Balm slash lip gloss. I guess it's a gloss. This was in the category gift because I got it in a goodie bag from like a ladies' night something. So yes, I've made some nice progress on it. Nothing major, but I'm already happy that I am making progress on this one because as you guys probably know by now, it's been in multiple projects, and for some reason I just always kept focusing on other things except for this one. But I've made progress, so that's good. Now, another product that I have been focusing on a slight bit more was this Essence Volume Up Lip Maximizer, and this one I actually finished while I was in Greece on my holidays. You might be able to see that there is a slight bit of a tan going on, like this is tan for me basically. So yes, I finished this one up when I was over there, which is a really nice, easy to put on lip gloss to bring with me wherever I go. The whole text rubbed off because I had it in my pocket all the time and it got pretty hot. Like we did a 6-hour hike through this amazing gorge, and yeah, the exterior of this lip gloss didn't like it very much, but this one is gone, and I'm really happy with that because that means I've got the first product gone. There was still about 1/3 left in here, and I finished it all up over the last couple of weeks, so pretty excited about that one. And this was a drugstore product. Then next I had the category a product from NYX, and for that I chose this lipstick, which is quite metallic-y kind of lipstick. I don't really like it on its own. Don't know how good you guys will be able to see from this, but you'll see that there is a whole lot of sheen going on when I point it toward the lights in certain angles. So yeah, not a huge fan of that, but I'm wearing it right now, and I've put another kind of colored lip gloss on top of it, and that actually works. So yeah, this is fine. And I've made some nice progress on this one as well. I wasn't expecting to make as much progress as I did. Now, of course, the first part is always the easiest part because the lipstick is still kind of like slanted and it's gonna come down a little bit more. Like you don't see it as much anymore as you can see here, but we're making progress, so that's good. Then I had a product that I got in a subscription box, and this one I've been working on all year long already. This is my Calvin Klein sheer creme eyeshadow in the color Gold Velvet, and I've made some nice progress on this one. It's not huge, but you can definitely see that kind of everything around the edges. It's getting a lot thinner around the edges, so that is good, but I definitely think I still need quite some time to actually finish this thing off completely. Then we had a product that was also in a previous project, and for that I chose my Catrice highlighting powder, and this is where I am on that one at the moment. I've been working mostly on this side, so you'll see that it's starting to go that way slightly at the moment, but at the same time there still is so much left. I repressed this recently, and at that point I thought there isn't that much product left anymore, but this is still taking me so long to get through. I don't know what's up with these type of products, they just take me forever to finish, but I'm in progress, so that's good. And then lastly, we had like a product that I've been loving lately, and for that I chose the blush that is in my Too Faced Enchanted Glamourland palette that I'm also penning this year. And this is the blush right here. And well, I don't know whether I'm showing you guys a close-up right now. I don't know whether you guys are able to see the dip as good as I can see it in like real life, I guess. But I am making nice progress on it. I'm really hoping I can hit pan on that within the next month or so I can show you some pan during my next update, but we'll see. You never really know with blushes, they always take forever anyway. So yes, those were the 6 products that I'm working on, and of course I finished one off, so it's time to go to random.org and select a new product. So let's see, I already have it open right here, so we're just gonna go and click generate, and that's number 44. So let's see what that is. Okay, so 44 is a hair care item. I really don't do much with my hair. Like, this is literally me taking a shower, putting in the one hair care item that I actually really use, basically. So trying to think, this is going to be either a shampoo or like that one hair care item that I use. So okay, I'm gonna look and come back to you guys. Okay, and I'm back, and I've decided to go with my like one and only real hair care item that is not like a shampoo or a conditioner, and that is this one. This is the Frieda Frizzy's Perfect Finish Polishing Serum. And just because like I've got this hair that tends to like get some flyaways and gets a little bit frizzy every now and then, this is the only product that I use kind of after I take a shower and wash my hair. I put this in. I've still got this much left at the moment, and of course the packaging doesn't go all the way to the bottom, but at the same time I really don't use that much of this one. I only wash my hair once a week, so I don't know, this is probably not going to be a very interesting product for you guys to look at, but hair care is just not really my thing, so there isn't that much for me to choose from. Not too happy with this selection, but yeah, I'm working on this product anyway, so why not put it in this project, I guess. So yes, that is my new product that I'm going to be working on. Kind of trying to think which products I can actually hit gold on by next time, and I'm kind of hoping I can hit pan on that blush that is in this palette, but apart from that I'm not too sure. Like, I'm gonna work on this lip gloss quite a bit and see how far I can get, but I would say it will take me like 2 updates to get this one finished, but we'll see. We will see. And that is it. So thank you guys very much for watching this update. I hope you guys enjoyed, and definitely don't forget to go check out Rebecca, Alexi, and all the other ladies that are part of this project as well. And I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye for now.